Children, yesterday we have completed up till assertive to interrogative rule 2. Okay. Today rule 3. Rule 3. Okay. Okay. Rule 3 is every plus noun. Okay, when we have an assertive sentence, a sentence is going to start with every and we have a noun with it. Okay, then what we have to do, we used to convert it into assertive is there any plus noun? Okay, plus who doesn't or didn't, whatever. Okay, for example, every man wishes to be happy. Okay, every man wishes to be happy. So every is here, man is a noun. Now you have to convert it into a interrogative one. So how you are going to write? Is there any man? Okay, is there any man who doesn't wish to be happy? Okay, this is your rule 3. Rule 4. In rule 4, children, words like nobody, no one, nobody, no one, none. These words are going to change into who. Okay, in an interrogative sentence, they are going to change into who, WHO. Okay, for example, nobody could count my love for you. To change it into interrogative, we use who could ever count my love for you. Okay, and a question mark. Rule 5. In rule 5, children, there is no. When the sentence starts with there is no, then we change it into interrogative form. It's like, is there any okay, then plus who. Who is used for person, okay, and what is for thing, because we have to change it into interrogative. Okay, for example, there is no use of this law. There is no use of this law. Now we have to convert this into interrogative. So we will write, what is the use of this law? Okay, fine. Next, rule 6. Is it no? This line, this sentence, sorry, it is no, is going to change. Is there any? Okay, plus y. Is there any plus y? Okay, example. It is no use of taking unfair means in the exam. Okay, to convert it into interrogative, you will use in this you will change is there any and why, both can use. So you will use why take unfair means, why take unfair means in the exam. Okay, fine. Now last rule of this assertive into interrogative is rule 7. In this rule 7, it does not matter if the sentences start with a, doesn't matter. Then to change it into interrogative, we use what though, or we use does it matter. Okay, for example, it does not matter. Example, it doesn't matter if you fail in the exam. Okay, to change it into interrogative, we use what though if you fail in the exam. What though if you fail in the exam. Okay, children, this is the last rule of to change from assertive to interrogative. Fine. Next, third one is exclamatory to assertive. Third one is how to change a exclamatory sentence into assertive, and this is last. Exclamatory to assertive. Okay, how to change an exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. For this, rule 1. Words like how, what are used in exclamatory sentence. Okay, to change these words and to change a sentence into assertive, what we are going to write? We are going to write very. This is before adjective. Okay, and we will write great. Great is used before noun. Okay, if after how or what, if a noun, an adjective is there, then you will use very. Okay, if after how and what a noun is being used, then you will use great. Okay, for example, how fortunate you are, and an exclamatory mark. Okay, fine. To change it into assertive, fine. What you will use? Obviously, what is here? It is an adjective. So you will use very. You will make it loud. You are very fortunate. Okay, fine. Because it is an adjective, that's why we have used very. If it is a noun, then we have used great. Okay, this is rule 1. Rule 2. In rule 2, children, there are some words in exclamatory sentence. Hooray, bravo. Okay, and to change these words into assertive, what you will do, you will write I or we according to the sentence. Rejoice, okay, that, or you can make it like it is, because it is an assertive sentence, so you can also write it is a matter of joy that. Why we use this rejoice or joy word, children? Because these two words, hooray and bravo, these are used in an exclamatory sentence when we used to express some joy. Okay, to express some joy we use these two words. So that's why when we are going to change it into an assertive, okay, according to the sentence we will use I and we, then rejoice that, or we can use it is a matter of great joy that. Okay, for example, we have won the game. Okay, hooray, we have won the game. Now to change it into assertive, what we will do, we will write, it is a matter of joy that we have won the game. Okay, this is how you are going to change these words into assertive. Fine. Rule 3 is, rule 3 children, alas. This is also a word for, we use for exclamatory sentence. Okay, and what does this word show? This word show sorrow or grief. Okay, this word alas, when we make a sentence with that, we used to show a sorrow or a grief. Okay, so obviously when we are going to change it into an assertive, how we are going to write? Same I or we. Okay, knowing that, or we can write it is a matter of sorrow or grief. Okay, that. Fine. For example, alas, he has failed. Okay, alas, he has failed. Fine. To change it into an assertive sentence, we will write, we mourn that he has failed. Okay. Next, rule 4. Rule 4, children. In rule 4, had, okay, or were, if, would, and with that. If these things are used, if the sentence start with in an exclamatory, if the sentence start with these words, then we will change these words into I wish plus subject plus were or had. Okay, it means it will go into a past tense. For example, had I had I the wings of a bird. Okay, this is an exclamatory sentence. To change it into an assertive, we use I wish I had a. I wish I had the wings of a bird. Okay, fine. Last one, just last is imperative to assertive. This is the last one. It has 5 rules only. Okay, imperative to assertive. So fourth one is to change an imperative sentence into an assertive one. Imperative to assertive. Okay. How to change an imperative sentence into assertive? It had 5 rules. Okay, rule 1. In rule 1, children, words like please or kindly, okay, these words are going to change into you are requested to. Okay, words like please and kindly in an imperative sentence will change into you are requested to into an assertive sentence. Okay, for example, please help me. Example, please help me. You will write into assertive, you are requested to help me. Okay, you are requested to help me. Next, rule 2. In rule 2, do not. Okay, in an imperative will change into you should not. Will change into you should not. Okay, for example, do not run in the sun. To change it into assertive, you will write, you should not run in the sun. Okay, children, rule 3, never. Rule 3, word never will change into you should never. Okay, it will change into you should never. For example, never tell a lie. Okay, to change it into a assertive, you will write you should never tell a lie. Okay, next, rule 4. Rule 4, children, let us will change into we should. Let us will change into we should. Okay, for example, let us go out for a walk. Example, let us go out for a walk. To change it into an assertive, we will write, we should go out for a walk. Okay. Last rule of this transformation of sentences, rule 5. Let plus rule 5 is let plus noun or pronoun. To change it into assertive, we will use subject. Subject means noun or pronoun plus might. Okay. Subject plus might. For example, let him play football. Let him play football. Okay. You will change it into he might play football. Okay, children. This is the end of your transformation of sentences. To transform a sentence, you have to use these rules. Okay? Do this work in your copies. Fine? The transformation of sentences for as well as tenses. Okay, children? Tomorrow we will going to start with snapshot. Snapshot chapter 1. Okay?